Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Practical Engineer. Today we are learning about the hydropower generation process. Do you know how a flow of water can light up the entire city? Yeah, it's hydropower or renewable energy harnessed from the movement of water. So how does this fascinating process work? Buckle up as we take a journey into a world of hydropower production. The first step in this process is the collection of water. Here, reservoirs, typically created by constructing dams across rivers, become the storage of potential energy. The higher the water level, the more potential energy it stores. This is the same energy that will soon turn into electrical power. Next, the water is let loose. It rushes down through a pipe called a banister due to the force of gravity. The fast moving water carries kinetic energy, which is the energy of motion. At the end of the banister, the water hits the blades of the machine known as turbine. So this is where the magic happens. The kinetic energy of the water transforms into mechanical energy as it turns the turbine. The spinning turbine is directly connected to the generator. As the turbine spins, so does the rotor inside the generator. The rotor is surrounded by coils of copper wire, and as it spins, it creates a moving magnetic field around the coils. This movement induces an electric current, a process known as electromagnetic induction. Electric current is then transformed by the generator into a form suitable for household and industrial use. So finally the electricity is sent over power lines to homes, business and factories, illuminating our world with the power harnessed from water. After the water has done its job, it's released back into the river ready to continue its natural cycle, proving that hydropower is not just efficient but also environment friendly. In summary, the hydropower process began with water stored in reservoirs. The water's potential energy is transformed into kinetic energy. This kinetic energy is then converted into mechanical energy by the turbines, which in turn spins the generator. The generator uses electromagnetic induction to convert the mechanical energy into the electrical energy, which is then transformed into a suitable form for use. After its work is done, the water is returned to the river ready to be harnessed again. So the next time you switch on a light, remember the journey of the water that made it possible. From potential energy to kinetic energy to mechanical and finally to energy. It's a fascinating voyage from reservoir to light bulb. Thank you. So please, if you are new to the channel, please support me by subscribing.